What are we doing today, dude?
Do you even need to? We're turboing this turd, bro.
All right, we're gonna go get our boy filter.
Dude, you didn't even know how to vlog, bro?
No, I have literally no idea.
Dillon,
Dylan, what is this? What is this piece of shit, dude?
1994 F250, aka the turd.
Wow.
Yeah, it's incredible. Why do you always do that?
Because it's the best. Why would you lock the doors on this piece of shit?
You're about to get demonetized. Look at that. Ready for this? Ready?
Yeah, dude.
Screw. Alright, enough.
Bro, what'd you get?
Got this here deep dish pizza cleaner. Part number.
Yo, what's that look like? Wow.
Hold on. Unboxing video?
Oh, yes.
Hold on. The smell. A little rubbery. The texture is soft. The product is cheap. It's very fucking cheap. But it's gonna work. It's okay. You see this?
Alright, yeah, dude, looks good.
Looks good. Even comes with hardware. You see this? You see this? Comes with hardware. This is fun.
Alright, let's get back to the shop.
$100? You can't go.
Whoa! Oh no! I hear him revving it inside. He can't be doing that without us.
See this?
How's it going, bro?
It's not going.
No!
What?
No!
Does it leak?
See that oil on the floor?
Is that coming out the turbo? Yeah. Oh, no way.
From where, dude?
That I don't know. I'm assuming it's from here though.
Our feed line?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you can see oil leaking
All the way down, yeah.
around your
Looks like your JB well. Your JB well. Fuck it, no.
Dude, look at your new air filter though. It's pretty
It's iconic. This is the only one in the store that would remotely work. Oh,
Yes.
Teflon tape, baby.
Oh yes.
This is supposed to be on a carburetor, not a fucking turbo. It's just gonna put a restriction on it. Listen. Pretty soon, we're gonna hear a turbo bug start up for the first time, and we're all gonna like it, and we're all gonna do shenanigans, and then we're gonna shotgun some Dakotas. Back at you. Thanks again. All right.
Damn, getting close, brother.
Maybe now a girl actually like me.
No.
Why are you such the perfect man, dude? Look at you. Hey, if you want to give me a follow at D1LL Dojo. Dill Dojo. Back at you.
Bro, what are you about to do?
Inspecting for an oil leak.
That's
Wow.
how this startup is gonna go. Sideways. Never expected. Ready?
Yeah.
Are you actually ready?
Yeah.
Tell me when it comes off.
Okay.
What, bro?
Shit's getting real serious. That might be why. It runs out of fuel.
Test drive!
Don't get up on my nose, it's greasy.
Or something falls off, let me know.
All right.
Alright, I'm gonna
40 pounds of oil pressure, baby. Yeah.
I want to witness this fast. Electric power.
All right.
Gotta adjust the wastegate.
It doesn't feel any faster.
It feels a little different, but I think we're losing a lot of boost.
Shit.
Different doesn't mean faster.
Why not?
Because different could be different and not faster.
Any oil leaking?
I didn't see anything bad happening.
Yeah. Is that splooge? No, we're good.
Oh no, just JB.
5 minute epoxy, boys!
It's a weight gainer, dude. That's 220 pounds of just like.
Well, yeah, but without
fat.
you in it, now we don't have a good test.
Oh.
Because now it's obviously going to be faster. Because you're pretty fucking
I
fat, like.
dude.
Bro, he's not even wrapping it out, dude.
No, that's Volkswagen. It's a Volkswagen bike.
He needs to hit 6K though, dude. Whoa!
I think me running. Hold on. I think me running is a little bit faster. Two step.
Did nobody else hear the turbo sounds?
No, I heard you chirp second though.
Yeah, I did chirp second.
Let me hop in.
Dude, are you even? Bro, I want you to hit red line, all right?
It does.
Say goodbye to those valves.
We gotta fix the throttle.
How'd she run?
I need to advance the timing.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
You know, I don't think it's much faster, but
It did
I was
make
in the
noises,
car.
though. I heard it. I heard it make
It
good.
definitely makes a difference, though.
Are you sure that wasn't some squeaking in the suspension?
No, I definitely heard it whistle. What's he doing, bro?
You know, if I could tell you, I would. Good talk.
What?
So give us some more fuel.
I'm giving it more fuel.
Turn everything up. Yeah, that sounds a little better. All right.
Yeah! Whoa! Yeah! Jam out with the climb out! Woo!
Bro, go on the road.
Some more tweets so we can hear that bitch more.
Dude, no. Just listen when he pulls. When he does a pull out here, dude. Can we just tape some whistles on the in the exhaust? All right, yeah, it's a little weak. It's a little weak.
You can only hear it when he lets off. I hear some more boost.
You hear turbo?
Yeah,
You hear turbo sounds?
Does it feel any faster at all?
Yeah, it feels way different.
All right.
Oh,
good,
yeah.
Good.
We're definitely like making progress.
Hey, 33 to 43 horsepower.
What?
But the weight gain is a lot different. There's a lot more weight
As long as
than
this
there
guy
was.
ain't riding with me.
I think there's something wrong with this clutch.
You can't handle the power.
I think there's something wrong with this clutch.
Oh shit! There it is.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
He's not even wrapping it out, bro.
No, that's like 4K.
Bro, you're not even wrapping it out. I want to hear this thing hit red line.
I think I have to adjust the timing to get it to.
Is it just not?
It's just not quick enough. I need to advance the timing.
All right, you're scaring me. You're scaring me a little bit. You're only on what, like 87 octane on?
91.
Yes.